Head. A head of lettuce. A head of garlic. Clove. A clove of garlic. A clove of ginger. Slice. A slice of pizza. A slice of bread. Bottle. A bottle of water. A bottle of juice. Drop. A drop of water. A drop of eye drops. Piece. A piece of cake. A piece of chocolate. Cup. A cup of tea. A cup of sugar. Bowl. A bowl of soup. A bowl of rice. Pinch. A pinch of salt. A pinch of spice. Glass. A glass of milk. A glass of juice. Can. A can of soda. A can of beans. Loaf. A loaf of bread. A loaf of cake. Handful. A handful of nuts. A handful of seeds. Packet. A packet of sugar. A packet of chips. Box. A box of cereal. A box of chocolates. Jar. A jar of jam. A jar of honey. Stick. A stick of butter. A stick of gum. Bar. A bar of chocolate. A bar of soap. Roll. A roll of paper towels. A roll of sushi. Pair. A pair of shoes. A pair of gloves. Bunch. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of flowers. Block. A block of cheese. A block of ice. Dropper. A dropper of medicine. A dropper of oil. Carton. A carton of milk. A carton of eggs. Scoop. A scoop of ice cream. A scoop of flour. Sprinkle. A sprinkle of sugar. A sprinkle of pepper. Bundle. A bundle of sticks. A bundle of herbs. Dash. A dash of vinegar. A dash of lemon juice. Cupful. A cupful of sugar. A cupful of beans. Quarter. A quarter of a cake. A quarter of a watermelon. Spoonful. A spoonful of honey. A spoonful of sugar. Grain. A grain of rice. A grain of sand. Tub. A tub of butter. A tub of yogurt. Tray. A tray of cookies. A tray of cupcakes. Bag. A bag of flour. A bag of candy.